Hi, it's Mystic from Mystic Moments. Today we're going to talk about tools to help you keep track of your most valuable information, your personal health information. And what that means is for every patient and every individual who is concerned about their health care or trying to manage a chronic disease or trying to get their arms around being healthier, it's important to collect information and be able to discuss that information with your healthcare team in order to appropriately identify your behaviors and the things you're doing in your everyday life that impact your health. So there's some great tools out there. It's 2023. There's all kinds of things out there that help you track your weight, your blood pressure, your pulse rate, your heart rate, your oxygen level, all the things, blood sugar, all the things. But you have to do it, and you have to keep track of it. Not only keep track of it, but keep track of it in context to what you were doing when you took those measurements, so that your healthcare providers have a great picture around those variables that you're showing them that you've tracked over time. And understand that this is an investment for time and resources, but it's an investment in your health. And if you can in real time track the things that impact your health and be able to give that information to the experts in your life, your healthcare providers, and let them help you help yourself, then you've taken another step towards self-care and thriving. And what is wrong with that? Not a thing. Having common sense about your health and your wellness is basic human survival. Help us help you. Use the tools and the trackers available, and if you don't know where to look on our website. MyMysticMoments.com has some great tools to track all kinds of things. There are lots of things. You can do it on your phone, on your watch, whatever. If you want to write it down, there's some great printables, especially on our website, to help you do that. Or you can get a digital download that downloads into your iPad, like GoodNotes or something like that, notably. So all those things are available, and they're available so that you can help us help you. And we want you to understand the choices you make every day so that you can make those choices based on some common sense and some good information, and you can use those tools and those resources to help your healthcare team take care of you so that you can thrive every day. Have a great day. Be well.